In this video, we will discuss an overview of 3D modeling. If you'd like to follow along with this video, please open the file 3dmodelingoverview.dwg located in the Working Files folder as discussed in the Working with this dataset video. In this section of the lesson, you learn about the different types of 3D models you can create to represent your designs. While learning the differences between the types of models you can create, you will also learn the benefits of 3D modeling. With the ability to identify the types of models and their benefits, you will be able to select the proper model type to create based on your criteria and design requirements. In the following drawing, we have the same exact little house shown as a wireframe, a surface model, a mesh model, and a solid model. Let's talk about the differences between these different modeling types. A wireframe model is the most basic form of 3D modeling representation. You'll notice that these are lines, polylines, and hatching, and they are simply drawn in the 3D space. Now, if this is enough to get your design intent across, then you would simply do wireframe modeling. The next type of modeling is surface modeling. So these are actually surface extrusions, and if we change our view to look underneath, you'll notice it's simply hollowed out. Again, if this is enough to get your modeling design concept across, then you would use surface modeling. The next one here is called mesh modeling. This is actually a solid model. What mesh modeling does is it creates a model with mesh tessellation, which gives you enhanced capabilities for modeling object shapes in a more detailed way. For instance, if I simply select a specific face here, you'll notice that I can actually pull that specific individual face or faces out to perform modeling in a more smoothing, more granular type way. Lastly, we have solid models. This model type defines the inner volume, outer surface, and edges of your design all within a single object. This will probably be the most commonly used type of model. However, you may use a combination of all the different types of models to get your design intent across. You'll notice when we select this model, the entire object is selected, and this entire object can be manipulated with different faces, edges, and so on. Now that you have an understanding of the different modeling types in AutoCAD, you can better make a decision as to which types of models and combination of models you will use to create your 3D models in AutoCAD.